Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you 4-bit binary counter using Raspberry Pi. As always, first let's see demo. Open the terminal, type sh space binary.sh and enter. For better understanding, I have a binary and decimal number here. It counts up to 15. Okay, let me show you the file. It's here, binary.sh. Let's open it. Here I have while loop and then clear and then 4 GPIO WIRINGPI commands, and then I have echo, the decimal number and the binary number, then a time slip for about 0.8 second, and so on. Okay, let me run it again. If you like this video, then hit the like button to subscribe my channel.